let me just all sa mga hindi pa nag-share po dyan, come on, let's share the video. Request from my end, please help me with my goal. We want to reach lahat, right? We want to reach lahat, right? Lahat ng mga newbies na Filipinos that went into the stock market. Kung maraming pumapasok sa stock market ngayon, and we want to guide them, right? I want to reach them. Gusto namin sa gabayan namin sila sa stock market journey nila. Goal really is to make them stay. Karamihan naman, you've heard of this, 70% of the newbies, people in the stock market tend to quit, fail. It's because mali ang simula nila, and we want to change that cliche of a line by guiding newbies sa simula nila sa stock market. Magustuhan nila yung galaw kasi alam na nila anong ginagawa nila, and they put in more money in the end. Yan, papasok po. It will trickle down to us. Mas maraming Pilipino ang mga mag-start. Got distracted sa zombie na nasa screen. That means may nagpadala ng star. Thank you so much, Jessica Nang, for sending the 75 stars. Magandang gabi. Alright, so yan, big question right now is all day, maganda bang habulin? We will talk about that in a bit pag umabot na tayo ng mga around 50 viewers. So hopefully na-share nyo na po. Sa mga hindi pa nag-share, please share the video naman. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me just go to the top. We have 4 shares already. Thank you so much to those who shared. Ano nga ba yung gagawin ko? Yan, PSEI muna tayo bago mag-all day. Alam ko hot na hot kayo sa all day. Alright, PSEI, another green day for PSEI, but net foreign selling po tayo, 23 million. Di ka kalakihan na selling, but then again, this tells us that the buying is already weak at negative tayo, and we're hitting a resistance din kasi. That's to be understood. Yung prediction natin is this might go sideways or either back, mas malaking chances for this to drop. Right now, this is the bounce. The downtrend line is right here. Tingnan natin. Ako may bet. Dito lang ako magbe-bet. I'm not usually a bettor. Right? I take risks, right? Pero iba yung risks na tinitake ko kaysa sa gambling, right? We talk about that a lot in stock market. Yeah. So, but yeah, my bet is this is gonna go red bukas. Markahan ko na to para alaman natin, para ma-keep natin bukas ano yung prediction ko. Gawin ko na yung pula, right? So, that's gonna be my prediction for tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm wrong. Okay? Pero yun eh. Right? Again, all day, every day. Crazy candlestick. Nakita nyo ba saan ang candlestick? Wala. Kasi walang ginawang candlestick. Pag open, ceiling agad at hindi na gumalaw from that point on, that's crazy growth for all day. Right? The question is, maganda ba pumasok? Bukas, paano ba pumasok dito kung gusto nyo pumasok? Right? Which I don't recommend. Pero we'll talk more about that. Meron naman kasing potential. Yeah, good evening. Ayan. Let me go to the comments really quick and let's go to our music na chill muna. Ayan. Laura Napa, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Yung nga pala, na-send na natin yung, what do you call this? Profit sharing ng mga partners natin sa Axie Infinity kanina. Congratulations sa mga nakipag-partner sa atin. Right? Congratulations to you guys. Thank you so much. In behalf of the scholars, ang tuwang-tuwa yung mga kabataan natin kahapon. Yes, karamihan po ng scholars natin, bata. Actually, they're the mid-20s, ganun yung mga age group na kinuha natin. So they're very happy with the pay na binigay natin yesterday sa profit sharing natin sa Axie Infinity. And they wanted to tell me to thank all the investors, yung nakipag-partner sa atin, mga nag-sponsors. Thank you so much for the opportunity that you gave them, right? So, thank you so much, right? Maraming salamat. It's very heartwarming whenever I hear them say that. I even try to influence them to become financial savvy every now and then. Meron tayong mga scholars na nanonood na ng daily grind ngayon. So, at the very least, we're able to impact a few Filipinos. It doesn't really have to be many. There's 57 of us watching right now. Doesn't really have to be hundreds of thousands. Kaya patuloy pa rin tayo nagla-live kahit na 10 lang noon na nanonood ng daily grind. Even if it's just 57 viewers, 58, patuloy po araw-araw ang daily grind. Because we wanna influence Filipinos, right? Mga sa kayo na may mga pera, and we look for ways to influence people na wala rin pera pang invest, at least man lang mabigyan natin ng opportunity, and then I can guide them also on how to become like you guys and pay and try to help the society in the future then. So thank you so much po sa nakipag-partner sa atin. Sa mga hindi na pa nakipag-partner sa atin sa Axie Infinity, let me know. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. I can give you the proposal sa partnership, and then makita nyo. Alright, let me share my screen. I just want to be with you. I want to be transparent with you guys. Right. One moment. Let me just hide ang yesterday. No, not yesterday. Today's kita kasi marumi. Right, hide next claim. No, that should be okay. Hide scholars, hide access, hide yan. Hindi ko lang lalabas yung mga pangalan kasi nila. Right, so I'm gonna share my screen to you guys. So this is the performance of our what do you call this? Scholars. Ayan. 2,000, 2,200. Meron tayong umabot ng 2,000. Yan, lumabas yung pangalan. Meron tayong mga umabot ng mga 2,600 na rank or MMRs. Sobrang taas na niyan, pero ang hirap na makipagsapalaran dyan sa high rank na yan. So, nagpaparank down lang sila. That's the strategy right there kasi sa Axie. The more you go up in rank, the harder your opponents are. And because average lang yung Axies natin, mahihirapan tayo doon. So, what they do is, they rank up, they fight for SLP. At the same time, umaakit kasi yung rank nila yan pag whenever they win. After their energies, nagpapatalo sila para bumaba na naman sila to, ito yung minimaintain nila, 2,000, 2,100, 2,300, right? So, SLPs in a day, 300, meron isa 500, 400 yung iba, right? So, and then, kanina namin napadala, I think the average SLP na nakuha ng mga partners natin, I mean, not SLP, pero, what do you call this, profit share, it's not full 1 month kasi. Ang pinakamatagal is 2 months and 2 weeks and some days hindi umabot ng 3 weeks. Almost 3,000 pesos po nakukuha nila. So, what more if ever full month na yan, which is this month, full month na makukuha nila. So, that's passive income already for them for partnering up. That's around 5 to 8% a month, right? Na 5 to 8% na returns in a month. Right? Napakaganda na nun. And then, most importantly, nakakatulong tayo. 5 to 8% a month, wala kayong ginagawa. It's a very good passive income for you guys. As long as na-manage lang ng maayos ang mga scholars. And that's what I do. That's my what do you call this? That is my guarantee for you guys, to you guys. So, kung sa mga gusto makipag-partner up sa akin, I've even invested in so many things like this one right here. It's a Trezor. Yun yung parang kasi lumalaki ang Axie family natin. I had to protect the investment. A Trezor is, if ever you know already, is a secondary wallet protection para hindi po ma-hack. May nagtanong sa akin kahapon about na-hack yung wallet nila, etc. I mean, may na-hack, may nagkaroon ng hacking sa Axie Infinity. As carelessness, and my responsibility as your partner is to protect it. And then that's why I invest in so many things to protect our investment. And I invest in someone na nagmamanage ng wallet ko. I invest in team leads who train these scholars. And yeah, congratulations po sa mga nakapag-partner sa atin. I'm really happy. I really want to share this to everyone whenever everyone nagkakaroon ng payouts, diba? So, going back to our let's go to the topic. Unahin natin si MM, right? Sa Axie, if ever gusto niyo makipag-partner sa akin, just send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. We are helping people at the same time. It's a win-win situation for us. Right? Kumikita kayo habang nakakatulong kayo na ibang tao. MM kahapon, I did tag this as a buy already. If ever you did, 4.23% today. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay MM. It was a buy yesterday. Today, no longer a buy for me. My call here now, MM. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Na-experience ka na bumili ng 18 USDT sa BTC USDT 60 ang price tapos bumagsak 58K ang price. Tanong ko po, bakit kaya hindi na wipe out ang capital ko, sir? Spot trading po sa Binance ang ginagamit ko. Good evening, Lloyd. Experience ko po na bumili ako ng 18 USDT sa BTC USDT. 60K lang ang price tapos bumagsak sa 58K ang price. Tanong ko po, bakit kaya hindi na wipe out ang capital ko? Spot trading po sa Binance ang ginamit ko. I'm not really sure why, right? I need to look at the the report, saan mo na bili, etc. Let me just turn this off. Watermark should be off. Yan. So this was a buy yesterday, si MM. Tapos na po yan. Susunod dito is pullback and bounce na lang. Or if ever gusto nyo, kung gusto nyo magbodega ng MM, this is a secondary signal. Just buy. That's your secondary confirmation, especially na nasa baba pa ito. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay MM. Laura Napa, sir, your take on SRO ni Dito. My take on SRO kay Dito, that's gonna add up to the supply of yung float niya. That's gonna affect the prices most probably since hindi pa naman siya bullish ngayon. So with that, I will not go aggressive on Dito. Mas maganda if tingnan nyo lang muna ang movement after ng SRO. Okay? Janer Dianyo, hello Sir Lloyd, evening. It's a beautiful all day. Again, all day. Let's go to all day pala. All day. Yan. So, ano nangyari kay all day? Ayan. Anong nangyari kay all day is this one right here. When it opened at the ceiling price right away. 0.6 and 50% is 0.9. Right? So, hindi pa lang nag-o-open siya at 0.6 because that should be the opening price. Pre-market pa lang nag-gawa ng mga tao, and for you to be able to buy it, dapat ikaw mauna pinakamataas na presyo, which is 0.9, and merong pumila doon and lahat ng sisabayan na doon. So ceiling kaagad siya. Looking at the orders, nakikita pa rin ba ang bid-ask dito? Ayan. Looking at the bid-ask, ang laki pa rin ng demand sa 1.4 billion, but this is not 100% reliable because this one right here, this is not 100% reliable because pwede pa naman makancel yan bukas. Pero if ever gusto nyo pumasok bukas at mag-maintain ito, I doubt makakapasok pa kayo, right? So, punurin ka agad yan bukas. So, it's gonna be another ceiling day most probably for tomorrow. Okay? My recommendation is, if ever mag-ceiling pa tomorrow, if nakakuha kayo sa IPO price, congratulations once again, that is going to be 75% gain for you already? No, hindi. Another 0.50 na, 50% ng 0.90 is 0.45. So that should be 1.35 right here. And 1.35. Magda times 2 na yung investment ninyo. Right? So congratulations kay All Day. What I recommend is you sell some. Hindi nyo kailangan ibenta lahat just in case na mag-ceiling pa na naman the next day. But I recommend you sell some already. Huwag kayong maging greedy rin. Right? Don't fall in love with your asset. Take profits. That's the purpose of trading. Baka malusaw pa kasi. The thing is, anything can happen. Bukas mag-ceiling sa umpisa. Tapos the demand, baka mag-lower ng demand kasi medyo mahal na, and then magbentahan at babagsak na yan. You don't really know what's going to happen. So as much as possible, if you see weakness, may nakita na kayo na mga nagbebenta, benta nyo rin ang kalahati niyan, and then let the other half ride if ever ano mangyari pa sa kanya. But yeah, look for take profits levels for all day. Right? Sa mga gustong maghabol, the only way you can get in all day tomorrow is if ever mauna kayo magbid bukas at ceiling. If ever this will stand, right? Meron pa maraming cases kasi. Pwede itong mawala or pwede itong ma-maintain. So bukas, if ever this will not budge, the only way you can enter is wala. Kasi yan yung mauuna at makukuha at ceiling na yan. Only if someone sells at walang gusto mag-buying at 0.90, not 0.90, but tomorrow should be around, dapat mag-buy na kayo at 1.35 kung gusto nyo makapasok ceiling. I do not recommend getting in this anymore. Kasi ibig sabihin, naiinggit na kayo. Right? I do not recommend getting in anymore tomorrow. Please stay away from it. Please stay away from it. Please stay away from it. Please, please, please. Right? Ulit-ulitin ko sa inyo yan. Huwag kayong sumabay dyan. Right? Bakit? Because our trading is doing well. Let's say for example, tinuro ko sa inyo kahapon, buy tayo kay MM. Doon na lang tayo kay MM kanina. Nanalo na tayo, 5%. Maliitan lang pero mas sure dito. Bukas kasi kung habulin nyo yun si all day, then you're going to be gambling. Magbuti pa, magkasino na lang kayo at wag na kayo mag-stock market kung habulin nyo pa to. Right? I do not recommend entering that anymore. Especially if hindi nyo naman mababantayan ang market. Right? Kung hindi kayo nakatutok dyan buong araw, wag na po. Please, 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 please lang. Wag na po, wag na po. Okay? So that's my call for all day. We already won from all day, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, when Kapayaman Arnel was here, he even dubbed it, he even gave you his, what do you call this? His call for it, his trade plans for it. Sabi niya, bibili siya sa IPO, then magkakatlo siya 5% just in case na it will drop in IPO. Kasi hindi niya he-hold kasi overall, mahal pa rin siya. Okay? This is greedy entry right here. There is no reason for you to get in 1.35 because again, even at this price 0.60, this is kind of expensive already, right? Sa IPO price niya, it's kind of expensive already, okay? This price is already expensive. Why in the world are you gonna be entering at 1.35 tomorrow? Why? Kasi naiinggit kayo. That's the only answer. Kasi naiinggit kayo kasi baka magsiling na naman sa susunod na araw at makasakay man lang ako ng isang siling blah blah blah. That's bad trading. If you have that mentality, magkasino na lang kayo, please. Yeah, that's the reason I will be straightforward with you guys. Please do not do that. Sabihin nyo, balik ka Sir Lloyd kasi magsisiling na naman yan, blah, 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 blah. Good. Magsiling pa naman siya, good, good, good. The thing is, I teach you my trading process and that is not my kind of trading process. Kung gusto nyo mabilisan ng pera, meron akong process dito na proven. Right? I'm teaching you how to trade and I'm teaching you about Izanagi. Right? Izanagi, open ko sa iyo si Izanagi. Bakit hindi ako mainggit dyan? Because yung trading ko na maayos na calculated risk is doing well. This is not updating pa nga lang. Ang last update nito is October 27. Umakyat na naman ito ngayon. Let me open my Izanagi on my phone because somehow this the website is not updating and I'm not sure why. My current balance is at $650 po. Okay, $650. You can see that right there. 150? 150.71. I don't think makikita nyo pa. Pero that's already 30% gains in just 2 months ng public account ko. This account right here, nakikita nyo sa screen ito. This is January to October, right? 10 months in the making, 200 to the 30%, nag-triple na investment natin dito. And mas i-recommend ko pa dito yung pera niyo because this is proven already and it's no longer gambling, right? This is a culmination of all our trading experiences, knowledge about bot trading. Marami kaming sinalihan na bot trading and then yung inalo-halo namin ang results ng experience na yan and this is the result Izanagi and this is for free, right? So dito na lang kayo instead. Janer Diaño, thank you so much for tagging your friend. Jessica Nang, thanks once again for the what do you call this, for the stars, right? Maria Mangawang, good evening sir, ceiling play pa rin kaya si all day bukas? If yes, is it good pa rin po to enter market at 1.35 siya tomorrow? No, right? Bobby Shelby, waiting po ng Izanagi na step by step po na may video for Bobby Shelby. Yeah, I'll ask for my partners about it, right? Step by step. Pero technically, andun na rin yung step by step sa instructions, hindi lang siya video. Pero Dave Viola, magandang gabi. Dave Viola, sir, pwede po si MM and Holcim. Let's check out Holcim. We covered MM already. Holcim, magandang gabi. Holcim, there we go. Engulfing pattern. That's an engulfing pattern right there with the Bollinger Band. So that is usually a signal na most probably may impending na reversal. And this is the pullback bound support right there. Divergence, so you have 2 signals already na okay na si Holcim. So I want to short trade this. If ever you want to trade this one out, man, I want to short trade this, not meaning short na i-short ko pababa, but short-term trade. right? That's a buy right there. Good find for Holcim. Let me open this watcher right here. And okay, moving forward. That's for Dave Viola. Alki, so good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Steve Navarro, Sir Lloyd, ADA, and XRP. Thanks. Cardano, nag-downtrend yun eh. ADA USDT. Right. ADA USDT. Alright, here we go. Ayan. Mo okay na. Right. So this is the resistance of ADA Cardano short term. Gumawa siya ng triangle pattern. This is a buy. 6.14% for today. Pullback and bounce. Kung gusto niyo conservative, abangan niyo mag-pullback and mag-bounce sa kanyo pasukin si ADA Cardano. XRP, USDT, makikasabay lang naman to kay crypto, kay Bitcoin ngayon. And nasa tuktok na ang crypto. Mutuktok na ang crypto, so I cannot recommend this, man. Pero if you wanna trade this for short term, breakout right there is gonna be a good trade for XRP. Jether Mongaya, good evening. G-Boy Tads, magandang gabi. Allen Gallardo, sir, wala po akong received na AXI report from Allen Gallardo. Yeah, not sure why. All right, I'll follow up I'll follow up with my with our in charge. Dapat meron ka. Right? Or one moment. Dapat meron eh. One moment ha. Kasi hindi na lalabas sa isip ko yun eh. Pag doc. Okay, so let me just open my messenger. Allen Gallardo, no updates for the page just yet because yung atin nagsimula October 25, nag-hatch pa yun. Kaka-hatch lang, so wala pa siyang malaking earnings, sir. Right? So, hindi pa natin na-report. Yeah, but I'll have someone send a report for you para makita mo yung yung ongoing sa'yo. So, I'll send you later. You are in the list, man. You're in the list, don't worry. Yun lang is, you're at the later part kasi. Kasi pag ganito yung AXI, once we start the partnership, i-breed natin yung AXI. And then, once it's bred, usually 5 days pa mag-hatch yung mga itlog. So, ours started at October 25. Meron pa yung, nag-set up pa yan ng ilang araw. So, tsaka 15 days ang cut-off. So, technically, sa cut-off natin na October 30, dun pa lang nagsimula ang AXI mo. So, you're not really included just yet on the last, on the payout on October 30. So, alright, let's move forward. Screen. Sorry. Saan ako? Wait, on my live. Asan yung live natin sa YouTube? Hindi ako nakapag-live sa YouTube. Wait. We should be live in YouTube, right? Live streaming. Yeah. There it is. We're live in YouTube. Yeah, dadaan ako sa YouTube in a bit, alright? Sorry about that. Steve Navarro, Sir Lloyd, bakit sa eToro pag bumili ako ng crypto ay negative 2.56% agad ako? Ganon ba talaga kamahal ang fees ng eToro? It's not just in eToro, man. If ever bumili ka ng fiat to crypto, it goes through a lot processing fee, gas fees, etc. So, especially pag mahal, right? Pag mahal ang crypto, mas mahal po ang gas fees. So, ngayon is tagmahalan ngayon. So, automatic na yan. Kagabi lang, nag-process ako ng around mga 700,000 pesos na sa Binance to be able to get the money from MetaMask to Binance and to sell it right away para mabenta ko lang kaagad yung 700,000 pesos worth na Ethereum na yon, cost me around 30,000 pesos. Right? So that's a huge chunk of your 700,000 pesos. So yes, natural po yan. Ganun po talaga yan. And Binance na yun ha. Kent Adrian Cordova, pacheck po. Welcome to the crypto world. Again, crypto is not about, right, ganito lang I just want to make you understand. Cryptocurrency, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. is not the most efficient way to transfer funds. Efficiency meaning power-wise, overall cost-wise, it's not efficient. Ang pinakamaganda lang sa kanya is it is decentralized, right? But it is inefficient, right? Malaki energy kailangan, malaking pera because of that, mas malaking pera kailangan, etc. So, it's not maliit ang transaction fees. Malaki ang transaction fees ng crypto to crypto and wallets to wallets. It's just that it's decentralized, right? That means yung pera mo is safe from devaluation. Let's say, for example, si peso ngayon nasa 51 pesos. $51 pesos. So, the value of peso is going down. Pero kung hindi, ang pera mo, instead of you're keeping peso, linagay mo as crypto, the value of crypto is going up. So, that's good. You are protected. If ever pangit ang performance ng country ninyo, like Venezuela perhaps, na sobrang bumagsak yung pera nila, if ever binili mo yung crypto, yung pera mo ng crypto noon, you should have been safe from that inflation. Okay? So, that's the advantage of crypto, but disadvantage is mahal po siya. Benji Navia, good evening. Meron pala. Kent Cordova. CVC USDT. Right? CVC USDT. Support is right here, right? If ever you can enter this support, that's gonna be your best entry point. At attempted to do a breakout. So, that's another entry right there kung mag-hold on breakout. Doing a pullback right now, at least kung gusto mo to, next bounce, malayo pa naman yung resistance. So, yes. Benji Navia, good evening. Sir Lloyd, na-experience ko po, bumili ako namin. Nabasa na natin to. Earl John Madrid Ginto, Sir Lloyd, saan po kayo nakabili ng Trezor? Been into Axie nung pagpasok nyo din, sir. Thank you po. You're welcome, Earl John Ginto. Ganda ng presyo ng mga Axie nung nagsimula tayo, no? Ang ganda pa rin ng mga presyo ng mga Axie ngayon. I brought my Trezor in, dito lang, local market namin. Naghanap lang ako sa, what do you call this, Facebook Marketplace. If you're in Manila, sobrang dami. Sarap, bilis maghanap dyan. Dito sa Cebu, hirap ako maghanap. Ngayon ko lang nga lang to nakuha, ang Trezor. So, you need that to protect your wallet. If in case someone gets access to your wallet, pero wala silang access sa Trezor mo, dito magge-generate ng PIN ang wallet. So, if ever wala sila nito, is hindi lang mapapasok, right? Yung wallet mo. So, especially right now, na sobrang dami na nakikipag-partner sa atin, mas protected na yung investment, right? Again, my responsibility is to protect the money and make it grow. And paano ko papatubuin yon kung mawawala? So, I have to invest in these things. Sakit sa ulo, mag-crypto, mag-manage ng mga scholars. Kung ayaw niyo yung sakit ng ulo, send me a message. Ako na bahala. All you need to do is gawin niyo lang akong trust fund. Ako na magpatubo ng pera ninyo. Right? Hans Keano, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Goodbye call on MM. Caught it last Monday. Thoughts po on Ali. Yes, the call for MM, hindi lang kahapon, but the past few days, I told you na bilhin nyo na yon and umakyat na si MM ngayon. So, congratulations. Thoughts po on Ali and Arit, eyeing on adding more shares. Si Arit, napakataas pa. Do not consider Arit for trading talaga, right? Do not consider it for trading. Yes, maganda siya tignan, pero as much as possible, our first mindset should be dividend investing kay Arit. And right now, yung dividends na makukuha ninyo is not really that worth it. It's gonna be less than 3% na lang. I believe at this point, less than 3%. But yes, less than 3% may not sound very big, but low risk po ang ARIT. That's why it is still valuable, and that's the reason why you still see this go up. That's Ayala handled. That's Ayala managed property. So you're sure about it na hindi basta-basta masisira yung investment niyo dyan. So for one, if I have millions of pesos na hindi ko pwedeng ilagay sa high risk investment kasi baka mawala, kahit na 3% lang yan, I will trust A-REIT. That is how powerful A-REIT is. That's why it's going up. Okay? Pero, if gusto nyo ng gains talaga, if you're after gains, then there are other mediums out there for gains na dividends na mas mataas na bigay kay A-REIT. I recommend putting money in A-REIT, money na ayaw nyo i-risk gaano. Right? So, at least pwede nyo ilagay dito kasi may dividends pa rin naman yan overall. Right? For A-REIT. That's for Hans Kiano, Alan Oshalan, good evening. Bobby Shelby, Izanagi, step-by-step video sa pag-register, waiting. Good evening, Sir Ride Pasilipo, BSC. Thank you. BSC did go up earlier. We called on for the MA20 bounce for guys. That's a lower high right there. So baka problema pag mag-bounce yan, then that means that is going to be forming a triangle. And our initial resistance right here, breakout for BSC. That's gonna be your next entry point, pero nakalipad na po ito eh. We called for BSC right here on these levels, di ba? Nakita natin to. Those were buys, MA20 bounce, breakout. Those were your entries. Ngayon, nakalipad na. It's gonna be very challenging to enter here, my friend. Abby Akar, good evening po sir. Kamusta na po? Kaya si Dito, bounce naman kanina. Green si Dito, di ba? Dito is okay. Overall, yung SRO lang, medyo tagilid ako sa kanya. So, I really can't call it out. Tignan lang natin anong pwedeng mangyari. Let's just stress the pattern right now. So, it's still bearish yung pattern. So, I will not be recommending it just yet for mga traders dyan. Or mga short-term traders, mid traders. For long-term traders, right? Kung gusto nyo mag-invest kay dito, doesn't really matter. Right now, it's a good support. Those are major dips. What you do is buy here, and then if ever bumaba, then good. You just buy some more. Yun yung purpose ng investors, di ba? So it really depends on your purpose. If you are into, short-term kay dito, wag muna, pa-breakoutin nyo muna sa bearish pattern na yan. Time check, 8:36. Pamo na ang tubig, guys, ha? 30 minutes na ako nagsasalita. Ninanda ko yung tubig na yun kanina eh. Kaso nga lang, sa malayo ko pala nalagay. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. I played a topic yesterday regarding ascending triangle and gained 9% sa XRP USDT. Alright, dinay trade mo. Congratulations, man. Kel Mike, good job. Alright, a little tip sa day trading, okay? Share ko na sa inyo. Mga linagay namin to kay Izanagi. Whenever you're day trading, you look at the 4-hour chart muna. XRP USDT was bullish. So yeah. So unang titignan ninyo is tingin muna kayo sa malayo, which is the 4-hour chart, right? So sa 4-hour chart, ano ang trend niya? The trend is a breakout right there. So that is bullish. Pag bullish ang 4-hour chart niya, what you do is look for look for bullish patterns. Number one, the bullish patterns, possibly this is a resistance. That's an ascending triangle right there for the 4-hour chart. That breakout would have been very good for you. Now, kung gusto nyo po na mas maliit na day trading, let's say 5-minute chart, because it's bullish, this is the 5-minute chart, because it's bullish, you look for bullish patterns like for example, breakouts. Maganda ang breakouts pag bullish ang pattern right there. May breakout, meron tayong mga ascending triangles and supports. Yan. So yun yung mga ite-trade ninyo, right? Pag may breakout dito, bullish ang pattern. So, yeah. This is 5-minute chart by the way. So kung bullish siya, go for up. Again, just to make it clear para hindi kayo malito. Look at the big picture first. Ano yung trend overall sa 4-hour chart niya? If ever, bullish ang nakikita ninyo sa 4-hour chart niya, then you trade only bullish patterns. Okay? Does it make sense? This is what the trend is your friend really mean, especially in day trading. If the 4-hour chart is bullish, You only go for bullish trade. Long trades. Never short. Right? Kasi mas malaki ang chances for an asset to go up. So kung issue short niyo yan kasi akala niyo, may nakita akong bearish pattern pero yung bigger trend niya is bullish pero may nakita kayong pang short na pattern sa shorter term, wag niyo ito-trade yan because you're going up against the major trend which is an uptrend. Mas malaki ang chances ninyo na matalo. Only trade long positions kung ang 4-hour chart is long. So if ever 4-hour chart is good uptrend, only trade bullish patterns. Ascending triangles 1. Good job. Congratulations kay Kel Mike. So that's a little lesson about day trading. Yan, ina-apply namin yan sa day trading namin. Laura Napa, Green. Last lang muna yon for Facebook. I'm gonna go to YouTube sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Magandang gabi. Wow, Nanette Mill. Nag-share profits na naman si Nanette Mill. 500 pesos. Thank you so much for the donation. 500 pesos from Nanette Mill. Sobrang tuwa nito ni Nanette Mill. Sekreto na namin yon, diba? But Nanette Mill, congratulations on the profits today. Kung saan man galing yon, sekreto na, hindi ko pwede sabihin. Unless Nanette will be announcing it here sa chat. Right, Edro, 12, good evening. Small Kids Blanco, magandang gabi, Sir Lloyd, Ryan, Dexter Rahon, good evening. Timeless Wisdom, magandang gabi, Marco Aguilar, good day, Sir Lloyd. Saan po magandang mag-invest sa NFT games po ba or sa stocks? Alright, that's a very interesting question. NFT is speculative. Okay? So, speculative meaning you're gambling. So, kung ang pera ninyo sobrang extra na yan at meron na kayong mga investment na stable, pwede kayong pumunta sa NFTs. Right? Kung extra na yan. Pero if ever it's important money, let's say for example, pang tuition ng anak nyo, huwag nyo ilalagay sa NFTs. Huwag nyo nga ilagay sa stocks nga di ba? Kasi high risk pa rin yun. Baka makarate kayo ni Macy's. But, start with stocks. Right? Kung gusto nyo talaga na maganda na trading, dun kay Izanagi. Right? Izanagi is for free and it's been doing well. Hopefully, mag-Izanagi kayo. Bakit hindi pa kayo nag-i-Izanagi? Marimsh, good evening Sir Lloyd. Ishi Marimat, hi Ishi. Bakit dito ka sa ano ngayon Ishi? Sa YouTube. Marco Aguilar, Sir Lloyd, bala ko po mag-invest sa Axie. Paano po magsimula? There's so many things to consider, right? If ever you have the time to play, I tell you, it is gonna be boring if ever hindi nyo hilig yung laro. So, as much as possible, get in because you like the game. Yun yung number 1. Number 2, budget around 40,000 pesos to 60,000 pesos. That's an average team. Pwede kayong makamura pero sasakit ulo nyo dyan kasi lagi kayong talo. So, an average team that will, that's a decent team that will bring you to higher levels of gaming. Mas malaki ang kitaan doon. Around 40,000 to 60,000 pesos. What you do is, create an account sa Axie Infinity na website and then create a Ronin wallet. To make a Ronin wallet, you need to make a MetaMask wallet. Let me share to you my screen. So this is a MetaMask wallet right here. And then once you have that, then you open a, what do you call this? A Ronin wallet. May nakita, makita niyo po yung Ronin dyan. And then, pag doon na, right? Just as much as possible, dapat meron kayong WETH. Meron akong 267,000 worth of WETH right now. But I told you, dapat mga 50,000 to 60,000. What you do is, after that, go to the marketplace. Like this one right here, si Bumblebee. This is plant card, very good plant card. This costs $273, so you just buy it. Cancel selling kasi binibenta ko tong Axie to. Gusto kong palitan. But yeah, makikita nyo po sa marketplace dito. Marketplace, ito. Marketplace, yan. So this one is $273. I can buy now. Pag binili ko to, makukuhanan yung Ronin ko. And then, mapupunta na siya sa wallet, itong Axie na ito. And then, when I run Axie, it checks out my wallet and meron akong Axie sa wallet ko and then pwede ko na laruin. You need 3 of these. Okay? Refasola, Tito Remes, SLPH, ShellPH Lodi. Let's check out ShellPH. SHLPH. Let's go to the daily chart. Daily chart. Do-do-do-do-do. Right. Shell PH. Is this one day chart? Okay now. One day chart for SLPH looks kind of shaky, man. How shaky? Bakit shaky? It broke MA20 right here. So, baka sideways na to. Let's see if ever mag-create siya ng support. Kung gusto nyo ito i-trade, pull back and then mag-confirm ng support, saka nyo i-trade. Ian Cesar Villaruel, good evening. Primex and GMA7, thanks. Let's check out Primex. PRMX. Primex. Ooh, support Primex. Galing ah. Good find, man. I would say trade this, especially for short-term trade. Good buy. Right? Maganda tong buy na to. Good find for Primex. Cut loss lang below that. This is what I like. Ganitong mga trade. That's a double bottom right there, man. GMA7. Musta na si GMA7? Downtrend pa rin. So, stay away from it. Next kay GMA7. Mitsai. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Wala po kayo ngayon sa Facebook. What's your take on SEC and MCI? Meron po tayo sa Facebook. It is in StocksEd. Okay? Alright. Nasa StocksEd tayo na, na page nagla-live. We're seeing 58 viewers right now sa Facebook. Ellis Ray, mayroon pala, SCC and DMCI. SCC, still on a downtrend, aggressively on the downside. SCC though, maganda yung third quarter revenue, so hopefully this will help. Pero bagsak pa rin yan eh. Downtrend pa lang, so I will need more data for SCC before I wanna trade this one out. Kasi galing pa yan sa tok-tok. Okay? After SCC is DMC. Si DMC, them same. Halos kapares ng pattern. I will stay away from it for now. Matong Fuentes, good evening, Sir Lloyd. How do I get Izanagi? Andyan po sa video description, meron pong registration link dyan for Izanagi. Let me post it here na rin lang para hindi nyo na kailangan puntahan. Alright, so, this is the registration link for Izanagi. I'm placing it on the chat sa YouTube and also onto the chat of StocksEd, the Facebook natin. So that is, just click on that. Andyan po lahat ng instructions to start Izanagi. Next is Carissa Castello. PHA po, Sir Lloyd. Ang dami natin viewers ngayon. Galing. PHA po, Sir Lloyd. PHA still on a downtrend. Touch the lower Bollinger Band. So that is still on a downtrend. I will stay away from it for now. Mart Paglikawan, TBGI. Nag-pullback na sa TBGI, diba? So this is the pullback you're waiting for. Tingnan natin kung saan natin ba mapulot. This is a possible support right here or the next higher low at the very least for TBGI. Again, Nanette Lim, thank you so much for the 500 pesos. Ken Rosal, good PM, Sir Lloyd. Pfizer and AMD. EFIZR. EFE. Pfizer, ooh la la. Talked about this before. Downtrend, broke the downtrend, broke MA20, and voila. Look at that. Pullback within the day, and saan nag-bounce? MA20. That's the reason why I love MA20. Tapos na siya mag-pullback within the day. That would have been the entry. Naiwan na tayo. So next pullback na lang for Pfizer if ever you still wanna chase it. Okay, pullback and bounce. AMD, stay away from it. Masyado mataas na. For AMD, congratulations sa mga nakapasok niyan. Nanette, thank you for the earnings sa Axie. You're welcome. Ayan, sinabi ni Nanette. Nanette has sponsored 2 teams sa natin sa Axie partnership natin. Thank you so much for sa balato pa rin, Nanette. That should have been your share already pero binalik niya pa rin sa akin. So, thank you so much, Nanette. If ever, and that's not just for me, pero if ever kaya niyo naman po, there is a way for you to earn and help someone at the same time, right? Pwede tayong magbigay ng trabaho sa mga kabataan natin ngayon through Axie, right? At the very least, ma-influence ko rin naman sila. But yeah, if you have extra right there, I strongly recommend you sponsor a team sa Axie and then may mabigyan pa tayo ng trabaho at may kinikita pa tayo at the same time, right? The current performance ng team natin, you are going to be earning 5 to 8% a month po with the performance of the team, how we are handling the team. 5 to 8% a month is very good returns already for a 60,000 pesos na investment. Sobrang ganda na nun. Ellis Ray, thank you so much once again, Nanette. Ellis Ray, by the way, Sir Lloyd, nakita nyo na po yung Illuvium. Ano po sa tingin nyo? Yes, I know about Illuvium na NFT. Like Axie, may pagka-ano po kasi siya, may pagka pay to win. Mas mayaman ka, mas malaking chances mo of winning, which I don't really like in the game. But I want to see how it performs first before I want to get into it. Hindi lang basta-basta, uy, bagong NFT. Ito yung sabi nila, ganito, ganyan. Kay Axie, bago pumasok, inintay ko talaga ang tamang oras bago ko siya pinasok. It's been rewarding us very good. So, like Illuvium, aantayin ko lang muna na bumaba before I want to check it out. Because, okay, magpapasaya. Unless you really like the game, you don't really mind spending money in it, then that's good. Pero kung gusto niyo ang kitaan, like me, pumasok ko sa Axie, I'm not really fond of the game, that's why I'm not playing it. Pero I am still into it kasi andun yung opportunity eh. So if there's opportunity, I will get it. Pero I will get it at the right time. I entered Axie at the bottom. We're already in it for a month and it's been doing well, technically. Sobrang ganda ng takbo. Right, Illuvium, I'm not really into it heavily just yet. Pero paglabas niyan, definitely I'm gonna be checking it out. But I'm not gonna be spending much money in it muna. What we were into is Ember Sword. Si Ember Sword yung pinilahan natin. We were able to times 10 our investment there sa game na yun. Hindi pa siya nagre-release. Dogecoin, masyado mataas si Doge, stay away from it. Joshua Los Banos, baka ma-squid kayo doon. Good evening po, Sir Lloyd. Paano po pumasok sa mga IPO gaya ng all day? Swertihan lang yun kasi oversubscribed na di ba? For you to be able to enter, you tell your broker, magsasend sila ng email sa inyo kung magsasubscribe ba kayo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na makakuha kayo kasi limited lang yung stocks. Right? So, swertihan pa rin lang. Joshua, gusto ko sana pumasok noon before, hindi ko po alam. So yeah, it should be your broker, nag-i-email sila. Pero what if konti lang yung binigay na allotment? Let's say for example, kay Call Financial. Let's say for example, ang binigay sa kanila na allotment worth 1 billion lang. Meron yun silang mga VIP clients. Pag naubos na yun ng mga VIP clients, wala na matitira sa ating mga small players. So, sad to say, hindi lahat makakuha. Carissa, Devs, DMC, Monde. Tapos na tayo kay DMC. Monde and Asen po. Thanks. Let's check out Monde. Time check, 8:51. Bilis ng oras Monde, resistance right here. Let it break out. Kung mag-break out yan, that's gonna be your entry point. Ano yung next? Monde, DMC. Downtrend pa si DMC. Asen. Tingnan natin, na ba si Asen ba? Still bearish for me. So, sobrang taas na ni Asen kasi I will stay away from it. Batong Fuentes, thank you so much. You're welcome, man. Melo 101, good evening. Alright, so we're done with YouTube. Let's go back to, Let's go back to Facebook. Marami ng comments dito. So, I'll try to chase everything, man. Dito. Kel Mike, good evening, sir. I replied for topic. Nabasa na natin to. Green Booster, this is from Lorenapa. Green. Alright, so, Greenergy. Uptrend line is right here. Nagbe-break na MA20 so hindi gaano kalakasan talaga yung trend ni ano. So, but the very least, you have your uptrend line right here. Overall, it's cheap. Yun, that's something. So, at the very least man lang, kung susunod na green niyan, try nyo yung bodega, major supports right here, cut loss below that. Ganun ang call ko for Greenergy. Asen, we covered Asen already. Masyado mataas na yan. Iris Alvarez, Rowena, Gisette, RHI, and Bloom. RHI, grabe ang akyat nito the past few days. Bearish signals, stay away from it. And then Bloom. Yeah, doing yung pullback si Bloom at the very least. Alright? So, mukhang okay pa. MA20 is the best entry point for this one, but there's the uptrend line right there. If you can get in on those bounces right there, that's gonna be your best entry kung gusto nyo pa humabol. Which I don't recommend. PLC, Rowena, Gisette, PLC. Position trader kasi ako, guys. I wait for stocks na nasa baba. If nakikita nyo, yung mga sinasabi kong buy, nasa baba sila, MM, etc. PLC, good. Pull back and bounce for your entry for PLC. Yan, sinasabi ko ng mga MM. Yung mga ganito. These are the positions that I love because ganda ng position. Those are major supports right there. So, ganun ako na trader. Sir, price na pwede pumasok kay DMC ulit. Masyadong ano pa tol, masyadong ano pa sa DMC. Tawag dyan, volatile. So I cannot say anytime any buy level just yet. Jordan Toniza, good evening. Kate Coin po, and also as a trader, take profits din po ba yung discarding nyo for crypto kapag tumaas? Thank you. Yes, I always take profits. Makita nyo sa mga trades ko sa eToro, I always take profits. Whenever your target profit is hit already, and then abangan nyo lang if may weakness. Pag may pula, then you take some of it. I always take profits, and then sa baba, if ever I'm more into long-term for it, yung ginawa ko ay dito, nag-sell tayo sa taas, bumaba na naman sa dito sa 6 pesos, bumili tayo more, di ba? Nag-average up ako, but in the end, I have more assets. I have more stocks kay dito. So, yes, I do sell. Good evening. Nerissa ba to? Her name is in Korean kasi ulit na nakalimutan ko lagi. Right, so anyways, moving forward, Kent Adrian Cordova is asking about NU. Hindi ko alam yung ano na tol coin na ito. I'm not really sure about the fundamentals of this one. Let's talk about technical analysis. It broke MA20, so that should be a reversal of the trend. So stay away from it. Marlo Rubio, sir, any thoughts po sa FOO ni Keeper? I'm not really familiar with the company kasi I can't really comment on it. Ann Sudario, good evening. Do you know ba saan pwede maghanap ng tutor? Feel ko po kasi di ako enough on studies ko about crypto trading. Thank you. This is from Ann Sudario. Can you send us a message here sa StocksEd? We'll try to answer it. We'll try to answer it later, right? Kasi meron ako kilala na nagtuturo din sa crypto. Maybe I can refer you to them. Abby Akar, thank you so much, Sir Lloyd. God bless you po. Thank you so much. God bless you too. Sir, di tayo nakadiscuss sa FOO ng SGP. Again, I'm not fan of FOOs kasi. So, ever since, hindi ako pumapasok sa mga FOOs. Right? Because I'm a trader. I'm not an investor. FOO is good for traders. Investors. Nano Joseph, it's 8:56, so I'll try to dami pa, may 22 comments pa. So baka hindi ko na masagot lahat. Sir, Nano Joseph, bilisan ko na to guys ha. Sir, pa-shout out to my wife Nene and insights po kay AGI. Nene, shout out to you. AGI, please. Salamat po. Let's check out AGI. Alliance Global. Resistance, breakout, support is in this area. Those are the best entries. Not a buy right now. Breakout nilang pasukin si AGI. Jordan Toniza, saan po makita steps on how to sponsor Naxi Team? Thank you po. Send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. That is my personal Facebook page, which is this one right here. Right. So, this is my page. Send me a message right here. Financial Freedom 101. Marami akong maraming mga pina-follow yung sinusunod yung profile ko, so ingat po. So I'm just gonna be giving you the link. Send me a message right here. Okay? Thank you so much. Tiamson Paolo, Green sir. Greenergy. Basta tayo kay Green kanina diba? Sige, daan na natin. Review lang. Greenergy and Bodega. Rowena, mRNA please. Let's check out mRNA. Moderna. Ito, international naman tayo. Moderna. Oh, ganda. Right? So, Moderna, baka mag-breakout. Breakout is your next best entry point. GSAT po. Right, let's check out GSAT. Right, GSAT. Okay rin. Support is best entry. Resistance tayo ngayon. Short-term resistance. Mukhang mag-breakout to. Let it break out for GSAT. Test now, sir, please. Thank you. Ayoko. Siyempre. Pwede. Ganda ha. Right, if you want to trade this one, short-term trade, that's a buy pag nag-green yan bukas. Good find. That's from Tess. Alright. So, I'm able to answer everyone. Little reminders lang tayo. Right? Thoughts on APL, Sir Lloyd? Thank you. Na-cover na natin to sa APL dati. Still on a downtrend. Close below Bollinger Bands. So, baka bumaba pa. Izanagi has been doing well. Right? Ganda ng galaw ni Izanagi. 227%, 10 months. Sa isang account ko, let me show it to you also. I even keep this public also. Hindi ko lang pinapakita ang amount. Right? So, this one is up 58%. 50% po ang settings nito na risk. Kaya po ang laki ng kitaan. 58.56% started July 9. This is verified records from my FX book. So, meaning, totoo po lahat na nakikita nyo dito na numbers. Right? Almost 60% already in just August, September, October. And running na po tayo the 4th month and it's already at 60%. That's crazy numbers right there. Right? So hopefully mag-join kayo kay Izanagi. What is Izanagi? It's bot trading, meaning yung program na po ang magte-trade sa inyo. We already have programs. We set it up already. What settings do you want to put in? May video tayo dyan. Go to the video description. Learn more about Izanagi para alam nyo po ano maganda sa inyo na settings kay Izanagi. Pwedeng 25% lang na risk, which is 30% na po ako sa 25% risk ko na setting, which started also at July, isang account natin. And then, this one, naka 50% na setting, mas malaki yung risk natin, so mas malaki yung returns, almost 60% already. Automated trading, passive income po yan. Right? So hopefully mag-join kayo. And the best thing about Izanagi is it is for free. Wala pong bayad yan. Right? So, I'm not really sure ano pang gusto ninyo hanapin para sa isang bot. It's already for free. And also, reminders is yung Axie partnership natin. If you want to sponsor a team, send me a message, Financial Freedom 101. Ako na po bahala. Right? Just have to trust me. Ako na magpapalago ng pera ninyo. And at the same time, meron tayong natutulungan na kabataan natin sa opportunity with Axie Infinity. I'll send you my proposals. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. Right now, it's at 5 to 8% ang return sa inyo, sa initial investment ninyo every month. Don't worry about ROI. Kasi ang tagal ng ROI. Ang kagandahan kay NFT is not like other assets na physical assets natin dito. Let's say, for example, bahay. Ang bahay kasi nagde-degrade. Right? Nasisira. Sasakyan, nasisira, etc. Diba? Sa Axie is digital po siya, so hindi siya nasisira. So, ang presyo niya is pwedeng tumaas, pwedeng bumaba, but the quality of that Axie will stay forever. So, yun yung kagandahan. So, if ever we buy a 60K worth of Axie, in the future, if ever mas mahal na ang Axie, mas tumubo pa tayo doon, and then yung monthly nakita natin is already purely profits kasi you have the Axie to represent your funds. If ever gusto niyo mag-back out, Sir Lloyd, ayoko na yung partnership, gusto ko na kunin yung 60,000 ko, benta lang natin yung Axie and doon kagad yung pera niyo. So yung kinita niyo monthly is already profits actually kasi it's represented by the Axie, yung investment niyo. Send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 para let's get rich together. Alright, tulungan ko na kayo sa paghanap ng pera everyday. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. As always, this is Lloyd Bazaar. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.